Welcome to KidsTube. Once upon a time in a quaint village, there lived a little girl named Lily. She was known for her boundless kindness and compassion towards everyone and everything. One day, an elderly woman came to their village carrying a bag of magical seeds. These seeds, she said, had the power to grow into plants that would spread kindness and joy. Lily was eager to help the old woman and offered to plant the seeds throughout the village. With great care, she sowed the seeds in the gardens, along the pathways, and even near the houses of those who were less fortunate. Soon, the seeds began to sprout, and vibrant flowers filled the village with their beauty. As the flowers grew, something magical happened. Anyone who came in contact with these blossoms felt an overwhelming sense of happiness and kindness. People started helping one another, and the village became a place of harmony and unity. However, there was a selfish man named Mr. Grumpus who refused to believe in the magic of the flowers. He felt that kindness was a sign of weakness and avoided the flowers at all costs. He remained bitter and lonely, pushing others away. One day, when a storm struck the village, it caused significant damage. Lily, with the help of the villagers, began repairing the houses and cleaning up the mess. Moved by their actions, Mr. Grumpus slowly started to change. He realized that the kindness shown by Lily and others was not a weakness but a strength that brought people together. Finally, Mr. Grumpus couldn't resist the allure of the magical flowers any longer. He approached Lily and asked for some seeds to plant in his garden. As the flowers bloomed, so did Mr. Grumpus's heart. He transformed into a kind and loving person, embraced by the warmth of the villagers' friendship. The village thrived with happiness and harmony, all thanks to Lily's kindness and the magical flowers that taught everyone the true power of compassion. And so, the legend of the kindness seed spread far and wide, inspiring people across the world to nurture kindness in their hearts and sow it wherever they went.